All right, so I'm going to walk you through how we can do the high-level carousels that look like they just keep going, and also how to crop them outside of Canva, but we're going to be using Canva to design everything. So the first thing I want to do is we want to figure out what the actual dimension is. Once you have this template set in Canva, you can work out this whenever. So for this example, we're going to do the 1x1, but we're going to do 3 slides. So what we want to do is go into Canva, we're going to go into custom size, and then I already have this in, but it's going to be the height is 1080 and the width is going to be 3 slides, which means 1080 times 3, which is 3240. Now we're going to go in and create the new design. We have this template. Now, what I like to do is so I can see where my border actually is I will set the first one to 1080, and then I will set the next one, I think it's 2160 if I'm not correct. Let's make sure. Yep, 2160. So then we have 2160. And then there you have it. You have your borders of where everything is. And so those are just your marking. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to I'm just going to create a random design. I'm going to make this pretty quick because I want to show you guys actually the more important things. But let's make this a little bit appealing. Okay, so we're going to pull in, let's pull this picture of me. Let's go into here. Again, this is not really a design. This is going to be me just breezing through what we can do. I'm going to go to here. I'm going to set this up to 70 so it's big. I'm going to make this bold because it's easier to read. This is fun. This is fun. I do love this. And then we can put this in the center. I want to make this white. Bam, bam. And then I want to do like a iPhone. Let's see what photos we have. Is there any like cool popping iPhone ones? Let's see what this thing does when it removes background. This could be useful and cool. Okay, so that right there is going to be there, which means we need to bring a flare over that puppy so it hides this. Let's use this. Boom. Okay, so see how it's overlapping, but we see where the slides actually are. So each one we can start to create, and then just for this example, I'm going to put maybe like a picture of another iPhone. Let's just do this. Let's drop in this guy holding this. This will be out of screen, so you don't have to play for too much. I think my team already has a few screenshots. Yep, we do. So I want to pull this into here, and I actually want to bring this right behind the phone. Right click, send backwards, so the phone is on top of it. Can bring that down a little bit. Let's get some texture. No, I want to do texture graphics, that's why. Okay, boom, and then we can bring some texture in. And you guys kind of get the idea. We can play with a lot of it. Okay, so let's just say that we love this, which there's obviously so much more we can do. Okay, so we're going to go into share. We're going to download this as a PNG. This whole thing goes to download. Now, we're going to go into your gear and resources on your Notion that I provided you. And we first want to make sure this completes downloading. Go inside of the gear and resources and head over to the website resource. You're going to then look for the Pine Tool /split image. It's going to take you here. You're going to upload that 3-part carousel. You're going to click on horizontally. You're going to do a total of 3 blocks. You want to make sure the quantity of the blocks are equal width. We are going to do a PNG because that's the best platform that I like to work off of. And then we're going to go split image. Now it's already ready, and then we're going to download it as a zip file. And bam, there you have it. It is perfectly split. Boom, boom, and boom. That's how you do it.